So in the question, a person is jumping from stationary helicopter, and this is a question from Narayana level 3, question number 6. And a person is jumping from a stationary helicopter, and that helicopter is at a height of capital H from a ground. So this is at a height of capital H from a ground. The helicopter is at a height of a capital H from the ground, right? So that is at a capital H. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ పర్సన్ స్మాల్ హెచ్ హైట్ కింద పడ్డ తర్వాత ఆర్ కిందకి పడిన తర్వాత ఈ జస్ట్ రిలీజెస్ ఇస్ పారాషూట్. సో లెట్స్ సే దిస్ హైట్ ఈ స్మాల్ హెచ్. సో స్మాల్ హెచ్ హైట్ వరకు ఫ్రీగా పడ్డాడు, లైక్ ఫ్రీలీ ఫాలింగ్ లాగా. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ హీ రిలీజెస్ ఈస్ పారాషూట్. సో దాని తర్వాత పారాషూట్ని రిలీజ్ చేశాడు. లెట్స్ సే దిస్ హైట్ విల్ బి లైక్ హౌ మచ్. సో దిస్ హైట్, దాని తర్వాత పారాషూట్ ఓపెన్ చేసినాడు. సో దిస్ హైట్ విల్ బీ ఈక్వల్ టు వీ హ్యావ్ హెచ్ మైనస్ హెచ్, రైట్? దిస్ హైట్ విల్ బీ హెచ్ మైనస్ హెచ్ అండ్ ఈజ్ రీచింగ్ అ గ్రౌండ్ విత్ అ వెలాసిటీ v. He is reaching a ground with a velocity v and we have to find out average upward acceleration. We need to find average upward acceleration. So there will be like two cases. E part lo, like when he was freely falling, he have a acceleration due to gravity g. But once he opened this parachute, he'll have a upward acceleration is a. And after parachute open చేసిన తర్వాత he will move with the acceleration a and he reaches the ground with the velocity v. Then we have to find, the question is to find, so find upward acceleration. Find upward acceleration. Find the upward acceleration, that's the question. We need to find the upward acceleration. So there are two cases, that is from before open a parachute and after open a parachute. So we have to go for two cases. So before open the parachute, he is moving like a freely falling body. Therefore we have a logic number 1. If it is a freely falling body, then we can write the velocity as like, so before you open his parachute, you'll have a velocity as, let's say we have a v dash. So therefore we have a v dash square is equal to, we could say that it is nothing but a 2 into g into h, where it is here. So at this point you'll have a velocity as a v dash, because up to here if he falls like a freely falling body, therefore here I have a velocity of a v dash square is equal to 2 into g into h. After you open a parachute, he falls with acceleration of a and he will reach the ground as a v. So in this case this will be final velocity, this will be initial velocity. Therefore we have a v square minus, we have a v dash square, we have a v square minus v dash square is equal to, we have a you can write as a 2 into a into height will be like this height, that is nothing but we have a h minus h. Therefore we have a h minus h, and we can also write as a v square will be equal to, we have a v dash whole square will be equal to minus 2 into a into h minus h. And here I wrote this minus, this minus, I wrote this minus because it is opposing to the motion, that's why. Therefore I can write the v square is equal to, we have a 2 into g into h minus we have a 2 into a into h minus h. And therefore I could write it as a like 2a h minus h can be written as I can write as what? I can write as 2gh minus v square. Here I wanna find a, therefore I have a is equal to 2 into g into h minus we have a v square by 2 of h minus h. Therefore that's the answer for this question, right? And the question number 17 in a level 3, that is integer. Question number 17 also similar question, like same model, just there it is the values are given. So hope you could do that. So there we will use the same concept for question number 17 also. One second, sorry. We can use the question number 17, the same concept. So do the 17 question by yourself, right? Thank you.